This is Marie from the Laidback Mat, and I have a little segment I put together of how to clean our mat. So before it starts smelling or anything, maybe it's good just spraying it around a little bit. My cat Yogito is often on my mat, and then we have my little dog as well doing this when we do indoor shots. So it's very simple. Just take a spray bottle. So this one's a little big because I only make a little bit. You don't want to use you don't want to keep it too long, and especially if it's plastic. I think the oil with the plastic, they don't like each other. So I take just a spray bottle, usually a little smaller, a funnel. I pre-measured here. So I'm putting half a cup of water, just tap water. And then 1/8 of a cup of just cheap white vinegar. Cheapest thing you can find. You're not drinking it. Your mat does not mind. And then I take tea tree oil and I put 7 drops in. Et voila. Our little mix. Now you can let it sit maybe 10 minutes before if you want to wipe it. What I do, I'm going to wipe it right away so you don't have to wait. But normally I would do a few mats, a little shake too. I would do a few mats, just spray them nice. Lay them side by side or your favorite mat. And just spray the whole mat and then just let it sit. Maybe 10 minutes or so. And then just wipe it. This is just a little rag, a clean rag that is just a little bit damp. And I'm just wiping my mat here. And turn that. And I'm going to do the other half. But again, normally you would like maybe let it sit 10 minutes. So it's good to do. You don't have to do that every time you use your mat, my goodness. You just once in a while, you know, before it starts stinking, especially like when it eats at the room, or if you do hot yoga, maybe you want to clean your mat a little more often. So happy cleaning and Namaste.